Here are 10 kitchen gadgets you need right now on Amazon. These genius Amazon finds are some must-haves. Everything I talk about here today will be linked in that description box below and pinned in the comments section. If you're watching from your TV or an iPad, go ahead and scan the QR code on screen now to access everything in this video. Let's get into it. No longer will you have to take off your oven glass door in order to clean in between the panes. This Oven Scrub has got you covered. This hassle-free cleaning tool enables grease and grime to easily be removed. Just spray it with your favorite multi-purpose solution for added cleaning power. The foldable plastic handle also features hanging holes for easy storage and convenience. You can easily move the Oven Scrub up and down, backwards and forwards, any direction that you need to get all of that grease out of your glass door. With its non-scratch design, you don't need to worry about your oven door glass receiving any unnecessary scratches. Sparkly and shiny is the name of the game. With a long wand and super soft microfiber cloth, Oven Scrub delivers an easy solution to effectively grab dust and dirt that won't let go from the window panels of your oven door. The uniquely designed paddle secures the cleaning cloth in place, and when you are finished cleaning your oven glass door, the removable custom microfiber cloth can be thrown in your washing machine. Where has this cleaning tool been my entire life? Grab one for yourself, grab one for a friend, a family member, or even your neighbor. And currently on Amazon, this Oven Scrub is just about $30, worth every penny in my book to save you time, headache when it comes to cleaning your oven glass door. This next kitchen gadget is so clever and amazing. It's the fridge fork, and right now on Amazon, it's currently on sale for 35% off, just about $6. Clean, clever, and convenient. Use this unique kitchen gadget to remove pickles or olives from their jar without the mess. The secure bands fit very nicely around the rim of most jars. The attached caddy keeps the pickle fork clean and handy, and it's ready for the next time you're in the mood for a crunchy pickle. I absolutely love pickles. Let me know if you agree in that comments box below. The fridge fork is a must-have camping accessory. Keep your fingers dry and unwanted dirt and germs out of your pickle and olive jars with the help of this fridge fork. It's easy to clean and it's top rack dishwasher safe. This has received 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon. #1 bestseller alert. This foldable phone stand has everything that you need, and it's currently on sale 8% off, just about $11 at the time of filming. It comes in multiple gorgeous colors. I'm loving the blue, the khaki, the light green, and of course the pink. There's even a yellow. This phone stand is perfect in the kitchen if you just want to listen to some music. Maybe you're looking up tasty recipes and cooking from them. Maybe you're FaceTiming a loved one while doing some kitchen prep or cleaning. It's the perfect accessory that frees your hands. It's not just great for your office, but it is wonderful in the kitchen. That's my favorite place to use it. It's easy to carry, store, and it's excellent for travel. This just fits so nicely inside your purse. Simply fold it to a small size anytime. Carry it into a backpack, handbag, or wherever you travel, or even a business trip. It also works for tablets between 4 and 8 inches. There are over 22,000 customer ratings on this foldable phone stand. This multi-purpose food slicer is a high sellout risk, so I'm going to link an equally good alternative for you in that description box and comments box below. I love this. This makes cutting a breeze, and you have perfectly uniform slices for a banana, strawberries, hot dogs, sausages, and so much more. Making smoothie bowls is a breeze with this multifunctional cutter. The blade is made from quality stainless steel material, anti-rust, and safe. This cup slicer is absolutely amazing, and right now it's just about $4. It's the lowest price in 30 days, currently 16% off, and it comes in multiple beautiful colors. We have navy blue, yellow, green, and clear red. This is also wonderful for your kids to use so that they can have that independence, freeing up your hands and your time as well. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually slicing and enjoy perfectly sliced fruits and vegetables for salads, snacks, and garnishes, all the tasty summertime treats. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to perfectly sliced ingredients. This creative design makes your kitchen tasks a breeze. My kids are absolutely loving this. They cannot wait to help me in the kitchen with this new gadget. This slicer is compact and easy to store in your kitchen, saving space. Not only will this save you space in your kitchen, but it will also save you time and energy. These silicone lids are an absolute must-have in your kitchen. They are going to save you so much space and contribute to that clutter-free kitchen. Let me show you how. Oftentimes people buy separate microwavable lid covers so that their food does not splatter all over their microwave. You don't need that anymore. All you need is one of these silicone lids, and it comes in multiple sizes to fit almost any shape that you need. 5 come in a pack, and currently on Amazon, it's just about $10. You can also use this if you have water boiling over. No more spills, no more messes, and no more time spent cleaning those up. Maybe you have mismatched sets of things when it comes to your food storage containers. All you need are these lids. Look at how well they suction. These are so easy to store and roll up for when you need them at a later time. Not only are these fantastic in your microwave, but you can also put them in your dishwasher for easy cleaning. You know I love that. One of my goals on this channel is to make cleaning super easy and fun for you. So this 4-pack of curved toilet brush cleaners are wonderful for cleaning underneath the rim. Oftentimes toilet cleaning brushes are not designed properly to get all the nooks and crannies. Have you ever looked deep down underneath the rim? Oftentimes there's a lot of pee built up under there. It comes with a hook and it's easy to store. This is also fantastic for cleaning out your garbage disposal and inside your kitchen sink because of the ergonomic design. Look at all the crud that I was able to get underneath that rubber flap of my garbage disposal. So disgusting, yet so satisfying all at the same time. 4 in a pack, just about $8 currently on Amazon. You can also get a multicolor pack. Maybe you want to designate a green for toilets and pink for the kitchen. The possibilities are endless. Your kitchen is going to smell better than ever before with these 2 hidden gems. By the way, this garbage disposal cleaner is a #1 bestseller. Currently 39% off on Amazon, just about $3. 4 come in a pack. You insert the entire pack into your garbage disposal with just a trickle of water, turn it on, and watch that foam. It is so satisfying, I must say. The foam will retreat back into your garbage disposal and everything will be sparkly and smell so good. This cleaner helps eliminate buildup and smells in your kitchen and drains. The foam scrubs the sidewalls, blades, and undersplash guard. I like to use this odor eliminator about once a week. There's good reason that this is a #1 bestseller. It has over 44,000 reviews on it. And there are very few tools that you can use to get in and down your garbage disposal, so this brush with the long handle, which is perfectly designed, is your best friend. Sometimes food likes to get lodged inside of your garbage disposal, which causes a lot of stink, but use this brush to get it out. Looking for a faster and easier way to clean your beloved coffee maker? These Fresh coffee maker cleaning tabs make your job so easy. Have you ever had that vinegar taste after cleaning out your Keurig maker? Not anymore with these easy to use tablets. And it's so satisfying to watch the tablets do their job. This is compatible with multi-cup and single-serve coffee makers. Use it monthly or as needed to keep your coffee maker looking like new. These fight hard water deposits and mineral buildup for a better tasting brew. You know I love that. #1 bestseller alert once again. It's this vegetable chopper, spiralizer, and dicer. Currently on Amazon, this is just about $29. There's also a $5 off coupon. So whenever you see that little green checkbox on Amazon, make sure you click it so that you can save the most amount of money. I was so impressed by this. I tried it on multiple different things in my kitchen. Red onion, chop that in literally like a second. I also used this on mushrooms, and I was able to spiralize a zucchini. Because of this 4-in-1 kitchen gadget, I was able to make an entire pan of vegetables in minutes. If I had chopped and cut these items and spiralized these items the traditional way, it would have taken me about 15 minutes rather than a couple minutes. You can use it for soft fruits and vegetables, but you can also use it for harder ones such as potatoes. I was impressed. I was thinking I would have to put my entire body weight on top of this in order to chop. Nope, not at all, my friend. These blades are top notch. No mess and no messing around. This makes cleaning effortless, and the non-slip base also makes the chopping so much easier. The entire chopper is dishwasher safe in your top rack. No need to dirty multiple bowls to hold all of your produce. No more mess of a knife or a cutting board. This definitely contributes to a clutter-free kitchen. There are over 105,000 ratings on this 4-in-1 vegetable chopper. Simply genius. And I couldn't end without a bonus item for you. Maybe you have a window seat in your kitchen or a bench that could use a little bit more comfort. I researched Amazon for hours so that you did not have to when it comes to these seat cushions. They are fully customizable, and can I just say the quality is tremendous. I didn't necessarily need this in my kitchen. I needed it for my daughter's room. She had a window window seat. But I know that many kitchens do have something like this. You can pick the thickness and the color, and the cover comes off for easy washing. It also has an anti-slip bottom, which is wonderful. No need to purchase another product to keep your cushions in place. This would also be excellent in a bay window. These window seat cushions are made from high-quality circle fleece fabric, which is comfortable to the touch, waterproof, anti-penetration, anti-scratch, and wear-resistant. Maybe you have a mudroom bench that could use a nice cozy cushion on it. This one has you covered. So if you're looking to create more comfort and beauty in your home, these cushions have you covered. Are we friends on Instagram? If not, make sure that you're following me at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share the first of the first and #1 bestsellers. Also, be sure to click that link in the description box below to sign up for your free weekly cleaning, home hack, and Amazon goodie newsletter. And click this video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.